Imagine this. Everything good or bad is all conceived as a result of a single thought. What kind of thoughts are you feeding your mind? Are you living the consequences of the kind of thoughts you entertain? Louis L. Hay says, we choose our thoughts. The universe simply accepts us for who we are. So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Sision Mercy. Karibu sana. So I usually tell people to subscribe at the end of the video, but I realized most of you don't make it to the end of the video. So for that person who doesn't make to the end of the video, please remember to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, like and leave a comment down in the comment section below. So today I thought of, I felt like addressing a topic just a bit, because it's a wide topic, on the negative thoughts and how they affect our lives and how much impact they have on our lives. I believe that every negative situation we could be in right now, if we were to trace back to the root cause of it, we would all arrive to one common cause, and that is a thought, a negative thought. Most people who are depressed, suicidal, bitter, failing, all have one thing in common. They once entertained a negative thoughts in their mind. Most of us have given up on our goals in life or our dreams, not because what we are going through is so unique to us that nobody else has ever gone through, but it's simply because we failed to silence the negative voices in our minds. That voice telling you that you're not good enough could be the reason you're so depressed. That voice telling you that this world is not fair could be the reason you're so bitter. Think of a thought as the key to open whatever you want to achieve. You entertain a negative thought and the result you have is a negative. You entertain a positive thought and the result you get is positive. Viktor Frankl says, everything can be taken from a man except the one thing, the last of human freedoms. To choose one's attitude, to choose in a given set of circumstances, to choose one's thoughts. If we are not able to change a situation, we are challenged to change our thoughts. So what situation is it that you are in that you feel is beyond your control? What situation is this that is pushing you to the limit, that is making you feel like you can't do it? What situation is this that is making you feel like you're not good enough? Why not change your thoughts? Why not start focusing on the things you can do? Why not start focusing on the things that you are good in rather than these negative things that you cannot do? So we choose our thoughts. You are the one to determine whether to count the negatives or to focus on the positives. So how do you get rid of these negative thoughts? First and foremost is forgive yourself. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Accept that you can't be perfect. Accept that things will not always go your way. Accept that things do not always go as you expect. Don't blame yourself so hard. And the second thing is practice gratitude. Be grateful. Sometimes you need to just appreciate the things that are working in your life. Regardless of the things that are not happening in your life, be grateful for the little things that are happening in your life, that are working in your life. Also, you practice mindfulness. What do I mean? Do not be very sensitive to these negative thoughts, that you identify them immediately the moment they start running in your mind. Don't just be someone to think recklessly. Don't allow these careless thoughts to flow through your mind. Identify the negative thoughts and immediately block them off. So you practice these daily affirmations. Write them down. Look into the mirror. Speak them to your life. Tell yourself how good you are, how things are happening the way you expect them, how things will happen your way. And last but not least, live within your means. Don't try to force situations that you cannot afford. Don't try to force situation that is not yet time for them. Accept your current situation. As much as you have dreams that are big, as much as you have goals to achieve, yes, accept that I start from here, starting today. I accept that today I start, and this is where I start, and I'm going to work on my dreams. Don't try to please, or no, don't try to live life because simply you look at people and you want to look like them. You look at people and you want to be where they are. Accept your current situation and start working from there. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for clicking. See you next Monday. God bless you.